Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to restart Windows computer. So there are various ways to restart a Windows computer. The first thing that you can do is use the keyboard shortcut. For that, what you have to do is press Alt F4 on your keyboard. This will bring up the Windows shutdown menu. There you'll be able to select the option for restart and your device will be restarted. Likewise, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Alt and Delete. Simply press all these keys together. After that, your computer can be restarted. The simplest method is to simply click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now over here, you'll be able to find the power button. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like sleep, hibernate, shut down and restart. All you have to do is click on the option restart and your computer will be restarted. So that is how you restart Windows computer. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.